We're on day 13. Lucky for some. With this advent calendar, I highly doubt I'm the lucky one. Let's open it. It's a big It's a big space. Oh, it's a car. It's a car. Oh, that's quite cool. Except, put the advent calendar down. It's quite cool. It's a car, but the wheels at the back are kind of out of sync. The axles are kind of weird. So look, you can see the wheels not quite out. Oh wait, now it is the other way. Oh god, it's very well rendered, obviously. But that's just a car. If I had to take a guess of what model it's based on, some kind of Ford by the lights. There are just stickers on there anyway. It's just stickers, but Hot Best Racing, racing. I don't know if you can see that. It says racing height speed, HIGHT speed. Hot M. These sponsorships are amazing. But yeah, that is height speed today. That is number 13. That's not the worst thing I've got. Although the wheels aren't actually low enough to stop the bottom of the car scraping along the table there. But what can I say? What can I say? Thanks for watching. It was unlucky for me, but it is Monday. And I'll see you when I see you tomorrow. Dodgers. And beer review coming on Thursday. Watch that. See you soon.